Yeah, so hello everyone and welcome to the BPSC TRE 4 Aptitude Questions. So here I'm going to tell you about the questions and how to solve it in a very easy manner. So the question it goes, how many prime numbers are there between 1 and 50? So first thing you need to know what are prime numbers. So prime numbers are those which are divisible by itself and 1, and also remember that 2 is not at all sorry 1 is not at all a prime number. So what are the prime numbers? It starts from 2. As you can see, 2 is divisible by like 2 ones are 2 and 1 into 2 2. Now 3, 5, 6, no, 6 cannot be. Why? Because in 2 table we get 6 and even in 3 table, thus it is divisible by 2 other things. Next 7, 9 cannot be, 10 cannot be, 11, 13, okay, 15 cannot be, 16 cannot be, 17, 19, 21 no, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, and as it is asked till 50, let's write till 50. By the way, till 20, till 100 it is 21, right? 37, after 37 we get 41, 43, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So how many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15. Okay. In case if you want to remember, just remember number of prime numbers between 1 and 50 is always 15. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. It is given the ratio of incomes of A and B is 2 is to 3. Okay, so A and B, they have the income how much? 2 by 3. Fine. The ratio of expenditure means they have spent, is 1 is to 2. If the savings of each of them is 24,000, then the income of A is, means A's income. Always do remember, income, it means whatever the salary that you get, that is your income, and income is always equals to spending, that is expenditure plus savings. So there are two ways by using which you can solve. The first is income is 2 by 3 of A and B. Now, in case of A, what is expenditure? 1. Let's say 1x. And how much is the saving? 24,000. Right. This is in case of A by. Next, in case of B, it is 2 times 2x plus 24,000. So if you'll try to solve this, you'll get the x value and x plus 24,000 will be the answer. So let's try to solve. That is 2 into 2x plus 24,000 is equals to is 4x, 24 to the 48,000, and here 3x plus 24 3 is 70. So 3, sorry, 4 minus 3, how much you'll get? X. And 72 minus 48, that is 24. Why? Because 24 2 is a 48 and 24 3 is a 72. So value 24. It means 24,000 plus 24,000, that is what? Very simple. The second method. It's as simple as that. See, income is 2 by 3, spending is 1 by 2, and after that 24,000. So as you can see, from 2 to 1, it means this difference. This difference is how much? 24,000. Why? Because 24,000, right? So he's saving one part. So if one part is 24,000, then two parts will be obviously 48,000. I repeat, see, income of A and B, 2 by 3. Now expenditure is 1 by 2. So as you can see, difference is 2 to 1. 1 here also, 3 to 2, 1. And after that, what they are saying, both are saving equal amount, that is 24,000, 24,000. It means indirectly what the question is given is one part is 24,000. So if one part is 24,000, then two parts 48,000. Sometimes they may ask how about B. So three parts will be 72,000. So here answer is 48,000. Clear? Now let's go with the next question. One ticket is drawn at random from a bag containing tickets numbered 1 to 40. So there is a bag in that there are tickets 1 to 40. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till 40. The probability that selected ticket has a number which is a multiple of 7. So you need to select multiple of 7 means 7 1 7 7 to the 14. It means 7 14. Whatever the numbers that come in 7 table. So let's write 7 table till 40. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Next number cannot be I because next number is 42 and we require only till 40. So how many possibilities are one ticket is drawn randomly? So how many are possible till 41, 2, 3, 4, 5? So answer gonna be 5 by 40. Why? Because out of 40, anyone. So what is the possibility of drawing one ticket out of 40 which are multiple of 7? That is 5. In case if they write 3, then what you have to do? Write 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9 till 40. And whatever the outcomes, that will be your numerator, and denominator will obviously be 40. So here numerator is 5. Why? Because there are 5 outcomes. 5 by 40. So any option here? No. So let's simplify. 5 ones are 5 eights. So answer is 1 by 8. Fine. Even you can write 5c 1 by 40c1. Okay. Now this one tap one will do later. Okay, because here I need to explain the complexity behind this. Okay, we'll see. Next, take 1 minute, try to solve. Okay. In the meanwhile, I'll read a question. In a class test, the sum of Kamal's marks in mathematics and English is. Sum means addition. Mathematics and English is how much? 40. Had he got three more in mathematics and four less in English, then the product would be, then this product would be, it means will be equal to 360. So they are asking the marks obtained by Kamal in two subjects. See, there are many ways, but here you can go with the hit and trial method. Just go with the options. This is option A, B, C, and D. Even you can say E. They are given respectively. So first one is maths, right? And the other is English. So if I add 3, it will become 24. And if I subtract 4, it will become 15. And 15 into 24. So usually you might be doing like this, right? 15 into 24. No, don't do like this. Just do one thing. 20 plus 4 into 15. 15 to the 30. 15 fours are 60. Yes, first one is correct. But it doesn't mean that you should not check other options. Let's check. This one, 12 plus 3, 15, 28 minus 4, that is 24. Again 15, 24 here. 21 plus 3, 24, and 12, sorry, yeah, maths, right? 24 and 12 minus 3, that is 9. So this one is not possible. So how many are possible here? 2. It means more than one of the above. Even such things may exist. Hope you understood. Even the other method, as you can see, maths plus English, that is 24 plus 15, that is 40. 15 plus 24 again 40. Clear? Oh, sorry. Oh, no. 21 plus 19 is 40, right? Sorry. This is 40. In case if they do, they give the hint. Now, let A and B be independent events. Means A can be anything, B can be. So possibilities they have given, P of A is 0.3, P of B is 0.4. Then they are asking P of A union B. There is a formula, P of A union B is equals to P of A plus P of B and then minus of P intersection, and this intersection is nothing but P of A into P of B. So let's try to substitute P of A that is 0.3, P of B that is 0.4 minus 0.3 into 0.4. So here we'll get 0.7 minus 0.12. And if you try to go with, I mean, in case if you find difficulty, directly you can take 7 as 70 and 2. So here you'll get 58. Fine. Thus you can get 0.58. Which option it is? 0.58. Now, this is one more question. It is given 37 point, I repeat, 37.5% of the candidates in an examination were girls. Okay, fine. So you just need to take the data. 37 point out of 100%. Girls are 37.5. Then boys will be how much? 100 minus 37.5, that is 62.5. Fine. Now see, as you read the question you have to take up the data. 75% of the boys and 62% of the girls have passed. So out of this, what they are saying, 75 means this is now 100% of the boys. Out of this, 75% have, what they have, they have passed. Means how many have failed? 25% boys have failed, right? And here 62.5% of the girls have. So this is actually our 100%, right? So in this, the girls who have passed is 62.5%. Then how many have failed? Girls who have failed is 37.5%. See, there are many more percentages, right? Simply you can write 37.5 is equals to 3 by 8 and 62.5 equals to 5 by 8. Okay, even here 5 by 8. Okay, now let's see. And 342 girls failed. So this is the failed, 340. Fine. Then the number of boys failed was. So first thing what we need to know is that we have to find out the total only. So this failed is 37.5. It means 3 by 8. So total number of girls, which is 37.5%, is nothing but 8. So here you need to understand one thing, that is this is the three parts. Here three parts is 342. So 342 have failed. So in case if you want to figure out the total, you can go with 8 parts. Or if you want to find out only 5, then you need to just go with the 5. But they are asking the boys percentage. So let's try to figure out this 37.5. So 342 into, I mean the total, right, into 8 by 3. If you'll do this, what you'll get? 3 ones are 3, okay, and 14 threes are 42. So this will be your 37.5%. That is the girls, total girls you'll get. 114 into 8. How to do? 114 into 8 can be written as 800 plus 80 plus 32. How I did is 114 can be written as 100 plus 10 plus 4. And if you add all this, you will get 880 plus 32, 912. So this is 912. Which one? 3 by 8. It means girls are 912. So how many boys? 5 parts. So we need to find 5 parts now. Let me find out here. If 3 parts are 912, why 5 parts? Because see, boys. And we want the number of boys who have failed. So let's try to figure out 100% of the boys. So here 75 can also be written as 3 by 4, right? Who have passed, and failed is 1 by 4. So we just need to figure out total. So 5 is how much? So 5 into 912 by 3. 3 1 3 3 0 3 4. Okay. So it will be 300 plus 4 into 5. So 5 3s are 15. Is it correct? Yes. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 5 4s are 20. That is 1520. This is 5 parts. It means total number of boys. But I don't want that. What I want is 1 by 4th of that particular part. Now, as why? Because they are asking about failed number of boys, that is 1 by 25, or even you can say 1 by 4. So 4 3 is a 12. How much remaining? 3. 4 8 is a 30, that is 0. So answer is 380. Now let me explain once again what actually is given. 37% of the candidates in the examination were girls. If 37.5 were girls, then how many were boys? 62.5. So instead of writing 37.5, you can write 3 by 8. And instead of writing 62.5, you can write 5 by 8. It means total is 8 parts. And out of 8, 3 parts are girls, 5 parts are boys. Now, further if you go, 75% of the boys and 62.5% of the girls have passed. It means they have cleared the exam. Now, so as you can see, 62.5 have cleared. It means how many have failed? 37.5. In the same way here, 75% have passed. Then how many have failed? 25. Fine. And 75 can be written as 3 by 4. 25 can be written as 1 by 4. Now, what they given? 342 girls failed. It means here I'm considering this as 100%. So if you take that as 100%, in that 62.5 have passed, that is 5, and 37.5 have failed. It means that is 3. That's the reason I have taken 3 by 8. In these 3 parts are 342. Then 8 parts are how much? We can figure out. So 8 parts we have figured out, that is, sorry, only 5 parts. Why? Because we can add that, right? So we have figured out, and that is passed is 5. Or even directly if you do, you will get total, that is 342 plus 912, but we don't require that. So here we have figured out 912, that is passed. So 5 plus 3. Fine. So this is the 912, and if this is 912, so we can figure out this, and from here we can get the answer. Hope you all got the point. Now let's move on. If I walk with the speed of 5 km per hour from my house to the station, my train would have left 7 minutes. See, for such questions, very easy thing I will tell you. There is a formula, direct formula. No need to read. If you find I am getting late or something, just distance equals to product of the distance. Formula is product of both the distances by difference of distances into difference of time. See here, There is a person, he walks 5 kilometers per hour from his house, and he would have left the station 7 minutes before. I mean, train would have left 7 minutes before he arrives. But if I walk with the speed of 6 kilometers, I will reach station 5 minutes before. So see here, he is getting late. For late, it is -7, and for early, it is +5. So product of distance 5 and 6. So 5 into 6. Okay, they will ask what is the distance. For this the formula, difference of both the distance, that 6 minus 5, that is 1, and difference of both the time, that is -7 and plus sorry, plus minus 7. So here how much you'll get, let's see, 30, but it is in minutes, we want in hours. So we don't consider this minus, we consider, I mean, we omit this, so it becomes 12 minutes, but we want in hours. So 12 ones are 12, 5, 5 ones 5, 6, that is 6 kilometer. Always do remember, they will give this 7 minutes early, 5 minutes before, 7 minutes early, or sometimes 7 minutes and whatever. So both the things must be added. Now, as you can see, total time difference. Now, next question. If A and B can complete a work, okay, they can complete a work in 8 days, B and C in 12 days, C and A in 24 days. They can complete the work working together in how many days? Right, so A, B, C, and D. Fine. Now, for such questions, always to remember, if they give together, always try to. There are two methods actually, A, B, C by AB plus B, C plus. Don't go with that traditional method. I will tell you the shortcut method. Take the LCM of 8, 12, 24. And if you try to go with the LCM, you will get 8 3 are 24, 12 2 are 24, 24 1 are 24. That is 24. Then draw this thing, A plus B, B plus C, and C plus A. Fine. So 8, 12, just write below here, 24. So 24 divided by 8, how much? 8 3s are 24 divided by 12, 2s are 24 divided by 24, that is 1. So if you add all this, even parallelly you can add this, AB plus BC plus CA, that is total is 24. And here 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6. Okay. So in one day they are together, but okay, let me write here 6. But they are asking together. So here it will be 2A plus B plus C, that is 6. It means in one day they are doing 6 units, not 6 units. A plus B plus C is 6 by 2, that is 3 units. Why? Because here 2 times, right? That's the reason I have taken 2 as common. It means in one day they are doing 3 units. So if in one day they are doing 3 units, then in how many days they can complete 24 units? So answer is so simple, 24 by 3, that is 8. Fine. See, for one day we have found first, that is 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6. And as I added, in order to figure out A plus B plus C, that is 2 into A plus B plus C, that's 6. So A plus B plus C is 6 by 2, that is 3 units. So for one day, if it is one day 3 units, then for how many days? 24 units. So just cross multiply 24 into 1 by 3 is 3 ones are 3 eights, that is 8 days. Now next question, a bag contains 2 red, 3 green, and 2 blue balls. 2 balls are drawn at random, the probability that none of the ball drawn is blue. So total balls are 2 plus 3 plus 2, that is 7. And how many balls I have to draw? 2. So this is my denominator, always to remember. Now two balls are drawn at random. The probability that none of the ball drawn is blue. So I should not draw blue. So what I'm left with? 2 plus 3, that is 5. 5C, this would be your answer. But as it is given in this way, so we need to solve. Here we have NCR formula is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. That is 5 factorial by 2 factorial. 5 minus 2, that is 3 factorial, divided by 7 factorial. 7 minus 2, that is 5 factorial, and 2 factorial. Now if you expand this 5 factorial, that is 5 into 4 into 3, divided by 2 factorial, 3 factorial, by 7 into 6 into 5, by 5 factorial, 2 factorial. So 5 5 cancel, 3 3 cancel. What we are left with is 5 into 4 by 2 factorial, okay, and 7 into 6 by 2 factorial. Again this 2 2 cancel. So 5 4 is the 20 by 42. That's nothing but 10 by 21. Option. Okay, so we'll just stop here. Rest of the questions we'll do. As you can see, this is the allegation method. Very easy. Okay, we'll do this in our next session. Till then, keep learning and keep smiling.